क्लास 8 ज्योग्राफी चैप्टर नंबर 4 चैप्टर का नेम है एग्रीकल्चर। इस चैप्टर की आज हम एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे। ज्योग्राफी का चैप्टर नंबर 4 एग्रीकल्चर। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे, देन टिक द मार्क्स, देन गिव रीजन, देन डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन दिस टू स्टेटमेंट्स। First question, what is agriculture? Agriculture is the science and art of cultivating the soil, raising crops and rearing livestock. It is also called farming. It includes forestry and fishing as well. Name the factors influencing the agriculture. The factors influencing the agriculture can be broadly categorized into physical and socio-economic factors. Physical factors: topography of soil, climate, temperature, rainfall, humidity, and availability of water. Socio-economic factors like population density, technology, government policies, and labor availability. What is shifting cultivation and what are its disadvantages? Shifting cultivation is a type of agriculture where a patch of land is cleared, usually by burning, and crops are grown for a few years until the soil fertility is exhausted. Then the cultivators move to a new patch of land and the process is repeated. Disadvantage of shifting cultivation is leads to deforestation and soil erosion, reduced biodiversity, contributes to air pollution due to burning, low productivity compared to settled agriculture. What is plantation agriculture? Plantation agriculture is a type of commercial farming where a single crop like tea, coffee, rubber, spices is grown on a large estate or plantation for sale. It typically involves large capital investment, sophisticated technology, and a large labor force. Name the fiber crops and name the climate conditions required for them growth. Fiber crops like jute requires high temperature, heavy rainfall, and humid climate. Then cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days, and bright sunshine for its growth. Hemp grows well in temperate climates with moderate rainfall. So अभी हम करेंगे टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. Horticulture means very easy growing fruits and vegetables. A is right answer. Golden fiber refers to golden fiber, that is jute. Leading producers of coffee जो है कहाँ पर इसका प्रोड्यूस ज़्यादा होता है? इंडिया भी नहीं है, रशिया भी नहीं है, दैट इज़ ब्राज़ील. Give the reason. First, in India, agriculture is primary activity. Agriculture is considered a primary activity in India because it directly involves the extraction and production of raw materials from the earth, such as crops, livestock. A significant portion of the Indian population is engaged in agriculture activities, making it a cornerstone of the country's economy and livelihood. Different crops are grown in different regions. Different crops are grown in different regions due to variation in climate, soil type, availability of water. For example, rice requires a hot and wet conditions, while wheat thrives in cooler and drier climates. The specific soil composition and irrigation facilities also play a crucial role in determining which crops can be successfully cultivated in a particular area. Fourth, distinguish between the two, primary activities and tertiary activities. First, primary activities involve the direct extraction of production of natural resources such as agriculture, fishing, mining, and forestry. Tertiary activities are service-oriented activities that support primary and secondary sectors, including transportation, banking, trade, and communication. Second, subsistence farming and intensive farming. Subsistence farming is a type of farming where the produce is primarily used to meet the needs of the farmer's family, with little or no surplus for sale. Intensive farming is characterized by high inputs of labor, capital, or technology on a relatively small area of land to maximize yield per unit area.